Hello everyone and welcome to the Friendly Crafters. Today we are learning curved text. I am selecting the circle ellipse tool, then choosing my color, choosing a light pink, click and hold the control button, click and drag to create the circle. Choose the text tool and create your text outside or inside of the canvas. I clicked 3 times to select all of the text. Then choose your font, font size, font spacing. I'm choosing Sugar Bear, Not So Cuddly Cactus. Font color and align center. Then changing the spacing between letters. And click both while holding the Shift key. Choose text and put on path. Then click both the text and circle while holding the Shift button to select both. If your rotating button does not show up, click one more time on them both and the rotating key will show up. Then choose your text. Make sure it's perfect and that you've had the right amount of spacing between letters and words. Click and drag the ruler at the top and let it go. Then I can make my text perfectly aligned, clicking the text one more time so that those rotating keys show up. Click and hold. Turn just a little. I am perfecting this a little too much. And you can use the down key on your keyboard to move it down. And then when you're finished, you can click the line and press delete on your keyboard. When you are finished, choose Path and Object to Path. Then you have separated the text and the circle, and you can delete the circle. I pressed delete on my keyboard. And if you would like to make it smaller or larger to keep its size proportions, you can press the control button and drag it around. Then if you would like to save this as SVG, you can click your object and text and choose Path and Combine, and then use that Path tool to click on the text and File, Save as SVG. You can name your file and save. That's it. Thank you for watching.